Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine and doing good. Welcome to our EVS class. Children, do you remember the previous class lesson? What is it? Very good, children. The lesson is our universe. The lesson is our universe. Children, shall I ask you some questions from the previous class lesson? Are you ready? Come on. The first question is, the sun is a hot, chocolate or ball of fire? Very good, children. The sun is a hot ball of fire. Next question is, the earth goes around the sun or moon? Say, children, which is the correct answer? Sun or moon? Very good, children. The correct answer is sun. The earth goes around the sun. Okay, children. Now let's move on to our today's topic. Today we are going to see about the stars, clouds and rainbow. First of all, we are going to see about the stars. Come on, children. Let's see it. Children, tell me, when do we see the stars? Very good, children. We see the stars at night in the sky. We see the stars at night in the sky. Why do the stars look so small? The stars look very small because they are very far away from us. Can we see the stars during the day? Yes, children, you are right. We cannot see the stars during the day because the sun's light is so bright. Okay, children. Now let's move on to our next topic, clouds. Children, have you ever seen the clouds? Wow, children, that's nice to hear this. We can see the clouds floating high in the sky. What is the color of the clouds? Yes, children, you are correct. The clouds are white. They look like white fluffy cotton. There are also some clouds that are dark in color. These dark clouds bring us rain. The next topic is rainbow. Children, have you ever seen a rainbow? Wow, children, that's nice. When does it come? We can see the rainbow when the sun shines after a shower of rain. It looks very beautiful. Isn't it, children? It has 7 different colors in it. Do you know the 7 colors of the rainbow? Come on, I will tell you. The 7 colors of the rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. We can shortly call these colors as Vibgr. Have you all understood, children? Shall we read it once? Come on, let's read it. All of you take page number 26 in your EVS book. stars. At night, we see many stars twinkling in the sky. Stars look very small because they are very far away from us. We do not see the stars during the day. This is because the sun's light is so bright. Next, clouds. We can see clouds floating high in the sky on a bright day. Some clouds are white. They look like white fluffy cotton floating in the sky. Some clouds are dark. Dark clouds bring rain. Go to the next page, children. Rainbow. When the sun shines after a shower of rain, we can sometimes see a rainbow. A rainbow looks very beautiful with 7 different colors. A rainbow looks very beautiful with 7 different colors. The 7 colors of the rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. See this box, children. A rainbow has 7 or 8 colors. Say, children, which is the correct answer? Very good, children. A rainbow has 7 colors. A rainbow has 7 colors. Turn the next page, children. Now we shall do some exercise. Number 2. Match the following. Column A with column B. A. What is this? This is a sun. Sun is a hot ball of fire. Which is the correct answer? Sun is the hot ball of fire. Next picture. What is this? Very good, children. This is a moon. Moon looks like a big bright silver ball. Moon looks like a big bright silver ball. Next picture. What are these? These are stars. Stars twinkle in the sky. Stars twinkle in the sky. Next picture. What are these? These are clouds. Clouds float in the sky. Clouds float in the sky. Next picture. What is this? This is a rainbow. This is a rainbow. Rainbow looks beautiful with 7 colors. Rainbow looks beautiful with 7 colors. Go to the next page, children. 3. Tick the correct sentences. Cross the wrong ones. Tick the correct sentences. Cross the wrong ones. A. We see the sun during the day. We see the sun during the day. Correct or wrong? Say, children. Correct. We see the sun during the day. So we put tick. B. The earth is made up of only water. Say, children. Correct or wrong? Wrong. The earth is made up of land and water. So we put cross. So we put cross. C. The moon gives us light during the day. The moon gives us light during the day. Say, children. Correct or wrong? Wrong. The moon gives us light during the night. So we put cross. Dark clouds bring rain. Dark clouds bring rain. Say children, correct or wrong? Very good. Correct. So we put tick. E. A rainbow has 9 colors. A rainbow has 9 colors. Say children, correct or wrong? Wrong. A rainbow has 7 colors. So we put cross. Number 4. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 words. D. Why do the stars look so small? The stars look so small because they are far away from us. They are far away from us. Next, name any 2 colors of the rainbow. Name any 2 colors of the rainbow. Red and blue. Thank you children. Have a nice day.